Are you implementing this strategic step in your sales process about contrasting outcomes? It's a very simple thing that you can add into the back end of your conversations, which shows your prospect what life would look like with your solution implemented to solve their problem versus what their life is going to look like without your solution implemented into their life. Now you want to future pace this to say what it's going to look like in 3 to 6 months, depending on what your product or service timeline impacts them in their life. But if you can show the contrast of what their life is going to look like with it and without it, the reason why this is so important is because the brain likes to be able to decide based on two options. One that's going to be good for them and one that's not going to be so good for them. And the more you can create the gap between what their life is going to look like with your solution and what their life is going to look like without your solution, the more chance they're going to shift towards working with you to achieve the solution that you've proposed and suggested they should take. So try this in your next couple of sales conversations. Implement in the back end of it a contrasting of outcomes, what I call future pacing, and you'll see that they'll respond to you much better and move you more towards a yes than a no. Good luck with that.